Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be going to DR, so I'm so excited. Spring break is about to be so lit, so I'm just going to take you guys along with me. Hope you enjoy this little vlog.
Oh grace, oh grace, every time you come around I feel okay. Help me see color in the world of gray. Girl, you make me feel some type of way. Ooh. Every little thing you say.
So I'm packing out all my jewelry over here. I have my carry-on and my big bag, and like this bag has all of like my toiletries, toothbrush, and then I just packed all of my like pajamas on one side and then all of my like dressy going out clothes. This is the outfit that I'm wearing today. I did just braid my hair, so you guys will most likely see me tomorrow when it's time to go. So I'm so excited and I cannot wait for you guys to see this trip. It's about to be so lit. Like, good morning everyone. Today is the day we are going to the airport. I'm just going to show you guys a quick little airport outfit of the day. But yeah, I'm so excited, so let's go. So I'm just wearing this plain little white tee from Brandy Melville, and then I think I got this jean jacket from like TJ Maxx or something, and then I'm wearing these Lululemon leggings, and then I'm just gonna wear my Air Force Ones. So this is the plain look. We're super excited about this trip, so let's go to the airport, guys.
Every little thing you say or you do got me feeling like everything is brand new.
So we are here. I am waiting at the gate. I got me a little turkey sausage wrap with some coffee and some hash browns because I'm kind of hungry. I'm probably gonna see you guys when we land and like we're all settled in and stuff. It's about to be lit. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Yard sale.
Jess, are you excited?
I'm so excited. Never been out of the country.
What? Okay.
Believe that I'm your guy, just say my name and I'll come through. Oh grace, oh grace, every time you come around I feel okay. Help me see color in the world of gray.
Oh, you see this light? We just got here. Oh, my phone's ringing. I think my mom's calling me. Oh, my dad's calling me. I'll do a little room tour later.
Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Here we have the bathroom and this big ass mirror that makes me look ugly.
Me too.
We have another mirror.
Yep.
Exploits
The little mirror pics.
the mirror pics. Here we have our closet, very small, but it's fine. We have a big ass bed.
Yep.
And
Two of them.
mini fridges in there.
Yes, but there's nothing in there, so it's fine.
Look at this table. It has chairs.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is my lawn in the back.
Hi MTV, welcome to my crib.
Give me light.
Right, she did take your line. Yeah, we're gonna go eat right now. So I will see you guys because we're starving. We haven't eaten since like 4 o'clock in the morning. So we are chilling at the beach right now. It is so beautiful. I will show you guys how beautiful the water is. Oh my god, it is gorgeous to die for. I am obsessed. I don't want to leave. After this, we're probably going to get changed and all of that, and then I don't know, probably go to dinner, and then we're gonna go out. So I will bring you guys along with me. And I'm so excited, but yeah, sorry if I keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm not used to this camera, but I'm gonna get used to it for you guys. I'm glowing here.
Yes,
This light,
absolutely radiant though.
Ain't no mystery that we can solve with you and me. There ain't no other place I'd rather be.
so we are walking back to our room. We're just gonna shower.
We're gonna be the first ones to shower. We're smart for that.
Yes, so I don't even know where the entrance is.
Here.
I'm starving, so
Chatting away anyway.
hey guys, It is a new day. It's probably like 9 o'clock right now, and we are going to breakfast, and then we're probably just gonna chill on the beach. I put on my bathing suit and then I just put on some shorts. That's what we're doing today. I think we're just literally just gonna chill on the beach and just hang out again because the beach is beautiful.
Hi.
This is like the little deck area. We're about to go eat because I'm starving, and I will see you guys when we get to the beach or when we start eating because I'm starving right now. I have my hair in a bun, and I'm wearing this cover up from H&M, and then I'm wearing a little bathing suit underneath my little fanny pack, and this is what we're wearing. I went to the beach. I didn't want to really carry my camera because I was afraid that I was gonna get it wet, so I just left it in the room. But I'm just updating you guys that we went to the beach. We've been chilling, just doing spring break things, and we're probably just gonna chill by the pool a little bit and then get ready, go to dinner, and then go back out again. That's what we're doing right now. I will probably see you guys when I get back and like I'm getting ready for dinner. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs, and I'm just so happy to be here. It's so pretty and so beautiful, and I just don't want to leave. So an update from the blogger herself.
Fuck, we're not going to the Mexican restaurant.
Hi,
are we?
Why?
I'm Paul. We're going to get food now.
I want it on record that Chloe told me that I can dance better than Tyra.
This?
For one move.
Do it. Oh, what?
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
What I'm wearing is this dress. It's a little wrap dress. It's from H&M. And then my jewelry, oh, H&M again. And a little scrunchie.
Can I close this?
And these wedges are Steve Madden. And that's the outfit. Wow.
This is me.
Where are we going? I don't know. I think we're gonna go find the shuttle. The shuttle.
To God knows where.
We're gonna go find food because we're trying to find a Mexican restaurant. So hopefully someone can help us. I'm wearing wedges. So pray for me tonight. I don't know how long we're gonna be out, but honestly, I think I'm gonna be okay. They have a cute shop.
Yeah, wait, okay.
That's really cute.
I was looking in there today and their bathing suits are so cute.
Yeah. Do not mind my eyes. I opened my eyes under the water and the chlorine really irritates them. I don't know why. So that is why my eyes are red. I'm not high. I'm not smoking weed or anything. It's literally just because I was opening my eyes when I was swimming.
I'm doing just fine. If they need me, I'll be underneath the palm tree. Where I lay my head, where I lay my head, and I ain't gotta worry.
So today is a brand new day. It is now Tuesday, and it's about like 9 o'clock in the morning, and we're actually going ATV riding, like those motorized bikes. So I'm super excited about that. Like, we're driving to this cave where I guess like there's like a little pool. It's like a hole, I don't know. We're driving there, and then we're gonna go swim. So like I have my little bathing suit on. It's like a bright yellow bathing suit I got from American Apparel. It was literally like $5. I was so happy. I'm probably not going to carry this because the ATV is kind of bumpy. Well, not kind of bumpy, really bumpy, and I really don't want to break this camera, so I think I'm gonna keep my camera, the vlogging camera here, but I think I'm just gonna try and vlog like some of the stuff on my phone. It's so beautiful outside. I'm literally just sitting with nobody, but it's fine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
We're gonna go get food, and I will see you guys when we go to the excursion. This is the outfit of the day. Shorts from Virgin One. This belt is my mom's, so I don't know whose belt, where she got it from. This top is from Brandy Melville, and I don't know where these sandals are from. What is that?
Hi, baby.
Hey guys, it's kind of crowded right now, but we are getting. Oh, do you want to get in the vlog, Matt?
Oh, I'm famous now.
Yeah, you're famous. You're gonna be on YouTube, so
Shout out.
yeah, we are getting ready. My eyes are still red because we went buggy riding, so all the dust got into my eye, and now I just look intoxicated and high. But I promise you I'm not. It's literally the dust that really, I don't know why my eyes are just really irritable. This is the dress that I'm wearing. This is from Princess Polly, and then I don't know where these are actually my mom's, but I don't know where she got these sandals from, but they're super cute and I thought they would go with this dress. And then I'm wearing this bag that I got from Sarah. So yeah, like my jewelry and everything is from H&M. And then I've had this necklace since I was born, so yeah, this is the outfit, and I'll probably see you guys when we get to dinner. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm about to leave. I'm starving. We're all starving. So we just left dinner. I don't know what we're doing right now, but I'm with Aaliyah. I don't know what we're doing. We're still looking cute though. Okay? Oh. Probably just gonna end like the day. You guys will probably see me tomorrow, like when we get breakfast and stuff, just because I don't know what we're doing and I don't really want to carry the camera around and then it breaks and all that. So I will probably see you guys tomorrow morning. So it's our last full day here, and we came to watch the sunrise, and I'm so sad because I've been just having so much fun, and yeah, it's just bittersweet. But we woke up really early to get the whole day's work, so we'll see where today brings us. I think I'm gonna try and take some pictures, so I will insert them right here. I'm gonna put down my camera now and really enjoy the views, but I will probably see you guys when we go to breakfast. Peace out. So we just got back from the pool. I didn't really want to bring the camera by the water, but I got so tan, as you guys can see. We are going to get ready now. We're going to dinner at 6. Like, we made reservations like 2 days ago, so hopefully everything works. Don't mind this ashiness. I will fix my face in like 10 minutes. So.
What's up, Chloe?
Oh, okay. Hi. Sam. Hello. Sipping on some water. We got some rice, some chicken, some beef, some veggies. I am about to dig in. So we are in the little center. I got some gifts for my mom.
This is my childhood.
She's reminiscing. Joe's gonna teach us how to play the figure piano.
I don't really know any songs.
Oh God. Wait. What are you playing?
I'm trying to just wing it as I go. It's kind of like a freestyle.
You were sitting here this whole time.
Some fucking idiot.
We're packing up.
Idiot.
Idiot.
Are we sad? That's the last day. Whoa. Whoa. Back to NY. See? We're going back to New York. I'm so sad. Joe's over there looking like an idiot. As usual. Party all day. This is the royalty night. I was upset because we're singing the theme song really wrong. I made a remix. I'm original. Party all day, all night. I only know that one line. Ay, 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 ay.
On top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah.
So we're at the airport now. And we found a Wendy's. I'm so excited.
We're getting to the good stuff.
We are waiting for our flight to board. It is currently 11:58. You know, we're just really sad because I don't want to go back. And it's kind of hectic right now, so I'll see you guys later. We're ready to leave, Jess. No. It's okay. Oh man, it's a sad time.
Hello, people of everywhere.
Through the city, had to get outside, it couldn't get any more pretty. I'm moving, hey, who's coming with me? Swerving on my bike, making 20 feel like 50, man, they miss me.
Hey guys, so I just got back from the airport. I landed, you know, everything's fine. There's a little bit of turbulence, but I'm back home and I just have to get all my stuff together because I'm going back to college tomorrow. So I'm just trying to get everything together. I'm starving right now and my parents just left me to go to Vegas, so I literally saw them for like 5 minutes. So I think I'm just going to end the spring break vlog here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I tried to make it, you know, just more artsy. I don't know, like I really want to get more into vlogging. So if you enjoyed this vlog, please make sure to leave a comment down below and like this video. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post new videos every single Friday. But yeah, I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.